Watering the plants. A simple guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very common phrase in English, watering the plants. This might seem straightforward, but there's a lot we can unpack here to help you understand not just the words, but the context and nuances behind them. Whether you're a beginner or looking to polish your English skills, stick around to discover more about this everyday expression. Watering the plants refers to the act of pouring water over plants to provide them with the moisture they need to grow. It's a simple, yet essential task for gardeners and plant enthusiasts. The verb, watering, comes from water, which in this context is used as a verb meaning to supply water to something. The noun, plants, refers to living organisms that typically grow in soil and have leaves and roots, especially those that are smaller than trees and bushes. This phrase is commonly used in both formal and informal settings and is an important part of daily routines for those who care for gardens or indoor plants. Understanding the context in which watering the plants is used is crucial. This phrase can be used literally, as in actually pouring water on plants, or figuratively, to imply nurturing or taking care of something. For example, someone might say, "I'm watering the plants," meaning they are actually going to give water to the plants. However, in a different context, someone might use the phrase metaphorically, such as, watering the ideas, to mean nurturing those ideas to help them grow and develop. There are several variations and related phrases that can help broaden your understanding and usage of watering the plants. Phrases like tending to the garden, caring for the plants, or giving the plants a drink are all related and convey similar actions but might be used in slightly different contexts. Recognizing these variations can help you become more versatile in your English communication. Knowing when and how to use watering the plants can be very useful in everyday conversations, especially when talking about routines, hobbies, or nature. If you're interested in gardening, sharing tips on plant care, or discussing your daily chores, mastering this phrase and its nuances will make your communication clearer and more natural. We hope this guide on watering the plants has been illuminating. Understanding not just the words, but the context and variations can significantly enhance your English learning journey. Remember, every phrase you learn opens up new avenues for expression and communication. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.